cold.
Yeah, you gotta get pictures of this shit.
Video.
There you go.
Happy birthday, dude.
It's like blowing out the candles.
Well played.
Wow, that was fast.
Almost too fast.
I feel like you're dumping a lot out, man.
No, it's all foam, dude. I saw it. It's coming up. Here it comes.
Uh-oh.
Somebody give him.
That didn't sound good. Oh, there we go.
Turn the water
Happy
off.
birthday, Timmy.
There it is. It tastes better coming back up. There it is.
This is a Kodak moment, Tim.
Say hi to Mom.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Timmy. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, amen. He does that.
Hit the button.
Puke and rally, man.
Hit the button. At what point did he say a 2-beer struggle was a good idea?
Yeah. You wanted to do like 4. Like, alright, get in there, man.
You fucking 4. Hit the button, dude. Hit the button.
It wasn't really turning on, dude. I don't know what happened.
I think you broke the
You clogged it
disposal.
with your bar. Great.
That's not good.
Thing's great. Broken.
This video just got really disgusting.
Part to you.
Ew.
Delete.